The truth is, when you are inside your house alone, and when you are outside, there's a way you will eat. If I lie, if I'm lying, this is you self, you know. Flowers with roses and flowers and roses, I didn't know. How are you doing?
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
The next thing I want to talk about is his gifts. I think people are now doing well compared to before. You know, before, when you see Valentine's Day gifts, it is either chocolate, sweets, biscuits, wine. What else they used to put? I think they used to put, for guys, they can put boxers. What else they used to put again? For ladies, okay, they can have teddy bear. But majority of the things in the box, or let's say the gift bag, are easy for the person is filled with, like, I don't want to term it as junk, but then that is it. Color comedy. And it is funny though, because I feel these things, I'll eat it within a day. Why can't you just get me something else? Something that I can always see. I have a list here. Gifts that fall under smell. We have gifts that falls under like sight. We have the one that falls under sound. We also have the one that falls under like taste. Then the last one is touch. So under each of this, I've listed a couple of things that you can get somebody. The first one is smell. So under smell, we want to talk about, the first thing here is candles. Growing up, for me, I was only used to like the normal, this long candle, yeah. But along the line, I think when I got into university, or when I was in SS3, that was why I knew that there are other kind of candles, like this like short ones that like has fragrance and everything in them. I also have perfume, body mist, perfume oil, essential oils, spa sets. You know that all these things are like the five, is it 5 senses? Yeah, I think so. So the side I have jewelry, guys. My God, you're not my friend. We have sunglasses. We also have framed photos, like maybe probably a painting or something. Then there's this thing that they're doing now, like 10 reasons why I like you. Like they create something inside a box. I think you'll be the one to send them the words that you want on the card. So they'll write it on the card, and they will add it into the gift box. So it could be like 10 reasons why I like you. It could be 10 reasons why I fell in love with you. It's like spice it up and all. They will also have journal. See, journaling has days when my head is just doing basbos. I take my journal and then I write things down. Like, also we have a novel. So let's say the person you want to gift something to for VAL, somebody that likes book. You can add like a book that the person has been like talking about, but they don't really like, they've not gotten the opportunity to like get it. You can get the book for them and like, Hilarity Musto, are you enjoying this video? I bet I should keep quiet. So this time we have headphones. There's a person loves listening to music. Like I have this roommate in school, Amina can listen to music. So I have like voice recording and all, whereby you record, like you make there's this kind of card that they do now that it has like recording in it. I don't know how they do it. So then we also have audio books. So there are audio books whereby instead of like reading book like this, it's going to be audio. So the person can always like plug in their headphones or their earpiece and like they are listening to like the book already. Taste. So that taste, yeah, We have chocolates, we have gums, we have what's this? We have home cooked meal. So you could say, okay, I'm making dinner today. Why not stop over? Just have like a mini dinner. Is it mini dinner setup? A mini dinner setup where it will just be like you and the person, with flowers, with roses and flowers and roses. I didn't know. Oh, don't me. Flowers, like candle with like all this. Is it all these dim lights? Just like, oh God, I'm envisioning it already. Or a reservation. Let's say it could be like a reservation at a restaurant that you guys have been talking about for a long time, but you're not always chanced. So you make that reservation and then you head over there to like enjoy yourself. We have like clothes, we have like massage, Some days after working, you need to like go to the spa for them to like massage everything on. You go for pedicure, you go for manicure and all. So the first time I did pedicure was on my birthday. You need to see the dead skin cells they took away from my leg. Oh bad. Oh bad. So it could be like you go for manicure, it could be like you pay for the person's like spa dates, you pay for the person like ask the person to go for like facials, bathrobes. So it could be like a customized bathrobe for the person with the person's name. Like having something customized in your name, there's this level of happiness that it brings to you. Then we also have like customized mug. I'll try and see if I can insert a picture of what it looks like. Every day the person uses the mug to drink tea. Trust me, stuff like that thing. For a lady though, you don't want to leave that cup. If I lie, comment down below. If I am lying, comment down below. Comment down below. I don't want to see boxer, chocolates, wine, sweets. Only midi inside box again. I beg. It is just like 3 things: a perfume, a wine, and like a customized mug or something. Just that 3 things there is enough. You know why? Because they are valuable things. They are things that you use like for a long period of time. Oh my days. I think today's video I came to play. Actually came to play. So guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and if you also love my content, I'm not forcing you, don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter, and you are a baby girl. See you guys in my next video. Bye.